Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity, breaking the barriers in the entertainment industry, inspiring countless fans worldwide. Let's break down this name to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Sunny Leone, Sunny Leone, Sunny Leone, Sunny Leone. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Sunny Leone, Sunny Leone, Sunny Leone, Sunny Leone. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more names you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.